crowd
I'm gonna
from
get
there.
this a wee tight. Just because your camera.
I know, it's fine, man. I don't worry, it's fine.
I mean, it might not affect it, so if you can only find that one down there,
I think I'll just
click it on something metal.
whoever I
Right?
want to find first to the panic going.
Something metal, right?
Something metal, aye.
Popcorn.
Excellent. If you show me that number on your left hand.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're fine, that was me.
So I've got
Number 27, recording. Hiya, welcome to Highland Flying. What's your name?
Kevin.
And what are you doing today?
Bundjee.
Feeling good?
Hi.
So, well, let's do this.
Safety's off. Okay, let's get a wee foot over here.
Yep.
Nice one. Stay there for me. I'm going to get you to walk out to the edge. So you can put a hand on my arm if you feel more comfy just to get out there. Hold over just like mine. Nice one. Cool.
Hi.
Get a wee foot over here. And wait till we go through. Perfect. Big point in the distance. Arms up. On my count. Big dive. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, fuck! Holy shit. Ah! Oh my god.